Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use green screen video effect on TikTok. As virtual backgrounds have grown in popularity, TikTok has launched the green screen video effect that lets users apply custom video backgrounds while recording their videos on the app. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use this effect. Log into your TikTok account and hit the plus button on the main toolbar. As soon as the camera screen opens, press on the Effects section in the bottom left corner. Find and choose the effect that is displayed by the video icon with a green background. After that, click on the plus icon and select a video from your camera roll in order to use it as a background. When you are ready to start recording, tap the button. Now you may add sound, write something, and insert stickers if you want. Once your video is ready, press on the next button in the bottom right corner and share it to TikTok. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use green screen video effect on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.